Welcome to Projectventive channel. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. AiBrain is a revolutionary artificial intelligence technology that is being used in a variety of ways to automate processes and enable more efficient decision-making. From healthcare to education, AiBrain is being used to increase productivity and accuracy. In this video, we will explore what AiBrain is, its various uses, the benefits it provides, and the potential future applications of this technology. We'll also look at the different types of AiBrain and how they are being used. What is AiBrain? AiBrain is a cloud-based artificial intelligence (AI) platform that provides powerful, sophisticated and advanced AI capabilities to businesses of all sizes. The platform allows businesses to develop, deploy and manage AI-driven applications, as well as data models and algorithms. AiBrain uses deep learning, natural language processing and other AI techniques to enable businesses to gain insights from large amounts of data and improve decision-making. Uses of AiBrain. AiBrain is an artificial intelligence (AI) platform that uses machine learning and natural language processing to provide intelligence to robots, drones, and autonomous vehicles. AiBrain provides various features and capabilities that can be used to automate tasks. Optimize operations, create efficient workflows, and develop new applications. AiBrain has various uses in the fields of robotics, autonomous vehicles, drones, computer vision, natural language processing, and more. Some examples of AiBrain's usage include: Number 1. Robotics. AiBrain can be used to create autonomous robots that can interact with their environment and make decisions based on data from their sensors. Number 2. Autonomous vehicles. AiBrain can be used to create self-driving cars, trucks, and other vehicles that can respond quickly to the environment and move safely and efficiently. Number 3. Drones. AiBrain can be used to create drones that are able to fly autonomously and perform complex maneuvers in different environments. Number 4. Computer vision. AiBrain can be used to create computer vision systems that can recognize objects, detect motion, and track changes in the environment. Number 5. Natural language processing. AiBrain can be used to create intelligent systems that can understand natural language and use it to communicate with people. These are just a few examples of how AiBrain can be used in various industries. With its growing popularity, AiBrain is sure to become even more prevalent in the future. AI technology is being increasingly utilized for a wide variety of applications ranging from industry automation to personalized AI assistants. As AI continues to advance, there will likely be more opportunities to use AiBrain in innovative ways. If you're still watching, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Benefits of AiBrain. AiBrain offers numerous advantages for businesses, organizations and individuals. One of the primary benefits is that it can automate and optimize decision-making processes. This can help to increase efficiency and accuracy while reducing costs. Additionally, AiBrain can be used to analyze data and create insights that can provide organizations with invaluable information to improve decision-making. Some of benefits are: Number 1. Improved efficiency and automation. AiBrain's technology can automate repetitive tasks, such as data entry and analysis, which can save time and improve efficiency. For example, in the financial industry, AI can automatically process transactions and detect fraudulent activity, reducing the need for manual intervention. In the healthcare industry, AI can assist doctors in analyzing medical images, which can lead to faster and more accurate diagnoses. Number 2. Better decision-making. AiBrain's technology can analyze large amounts of data and make predictions or recommendations based on that data. For example, In the retail industry, AI can analyze customer data to predict which products will be popular, allowing companies to stock the right products at the right time. In the manufacturing industry, AI can predict equipment failures, allowing companies to schedule maintenance before a breakdown occurs. Number 3. Increased accuracy. AiBrain's technology can be trained to recognize patterns and make predictions with a high degree of accuracy. For example, in the insurance industry, AI can analyze claims data to identify patterns that indicate fraud, leading to more accurate fraud detection. In the energy industry, AI can analyze sensor data to predict equipment failures, leading to more accurate maintenance schedules. Number 4. Cost savings. AiBrain's technology can help reduce costs by automating tasks and making more efficient use of resources. For example, in the logistics industry, AI can optimize delivery routes, reducing fuel consumption and saving on transportation costs. In the agriculture industry, AI can analyze sensor data to optimize irrigation and fertilizer usage, reducing costs and increasing crop yields. Number 5. Personalization. AiBrain's technology can be used to personalize content and experiences for individual users, which can improve customer satisfaction. For example, in the e-commerce industry, AI can analyze customer data to recommend products that the customer is likely to be interested in, leading to a more personalized shopping experience. In the entertainment industry, AI can recommend movies or TV shows based on a customer's viewing history. On a customer's viewing history, leading to a more personalized viewing experience. Number 6. Predictive maintenance. AiBrain's technology can help in predictive maintenance of systems and equipment by identifying potential issues in advance, reducing downtime and costs. For example, in the manufacturing industry, AI can analyze sensor data from equipment to predict when maintenance is required, allowing companies to schedule maintenance before a breakdown occurs. This can reduce downtime and prevent costly equipment failures. Number 7. Fraud detection and prevention. AiBrain's technology can help in detecting fraudulent activities and preventing them. For example, in the banking industry, AI can analyze transactions to identify patterns that indicate fraudulent activity, such as multiple transactions from the same account in a short period of time. This can help banks detect and prevent fraud before it occurs. Another benefit of AiBrain is that it can help to streamline complex tasks, such as forecasting and predicting outcomes. By using AiBrain, businesses can quickly and accurately identify trends, anomalies, and other useful data points. This can help organizations to make more informed decisions and take proactive steps towards achieving their goals. Finally, AiBrain can also be used to facilitate collaboration between various departments within a company or organization. It can help to unify all areas of a business by providing real-time updates and insights on activities across multiple departments. This can enable businesses to maximize their resources and reach their objectives more effectively. As technology advances, AiBrain's capabilities are expected to become more sophisticated and powerful. There will be more uses for AiBrain, and its potential applications are likely to expand beyond simple decision-making processes. Companies may start leveraging AiBrain to create more targeted campaigns and marketing strategies, which could lead to increased success rates and revenues. Overall, AiBrain is a versatile tool that provides businesses, organizations, and individuals with numerous benefits. From streamlining complex tasks to facilitating collaboration between departments, AiBrain offers a range of uses that can help companies reach their goals faster and more efficiently. As technology advances, so too will the uses and potential of AiBrain, making it an invaluable asset in any organization. Future of AiBrain. AiBrain is a rapidly advancing field of technology with a number of potential applications and uses. As the technology develops, so does the potential for AI to positively impact our lives. In the future, AiBrain could be used to create more sophisticated autonomous agents and robots, as well as automated systems that can process and learn data faster than humans. It could also be used to create new services and products, improve decision-making in business and financial contexts, provide healthcare solutions, and even help in the development of new materials. The future of AiBrain also lies in the development of more secure and efficient communication networks, as well as in the improvement of existing technology, such as natural language processing, facial recognition, and image recognition. By combining these technologies, the potential for truly intelligent systems that can understand our wants and needs is immense. Additionally, advances in artificial intelligence may be used to create more advanced robotic assistants, that could potentially provide significant help in medical diagnoses, robotics for industrial use, and machine learning algorithms for AI applications. Finally, AiBrain technology could also be used in the future to help protect our privacy and security by creating powerful encryption methods that are resistant to hacking or other forms of attack. As the technology continues to develop, it is likely that many more applications of AiBrain will become available, allowing us to utilize it in new and exciting ways. With its many potential uses, AiBrain could truly revolutionize the way we think about technology and its use in our everyday lives. Types of AiBrain. Many different types of AiBrain can be used to create powerful solutions for businesses and organizations. Some of the most popular types of AiBrain include natural language processing, NLP, deep learning, and computer vision. Natural language processing uses advanced algorithms to understand and process human language, allowing for better communication with users. Some types are as discussed. Number 1. Reactive machines. They do not have the ability to store or use past experiences, and can only react to the current environment. For example, a self-driving car that only follows a set of pre-programmed rules and cannot learn from past experiences. Number 2. Limited memory. These AI systems can store and use past experiences, but only for a limited time. For example, a chatbot that can remember the last few interactions with a customer, but forgets them once the conversation ends. Number 3. Theory of mind. These AI systems can understand and simulate the mental states of other entities. They can infer what others might be thinking or feeling and use that knowledge to guide their own behavior. For example, an AI that can understand and respond to sarcasm in a conversation. Number 4. Self-aware. These AI systems have a sense of self and consciousness. They are capable of introspection and self-reflection, and can make decisions based on their own goals and desires. Each of these types of AiBrain has its own uses, benefits, and future prospects. I hope you liked my video. If you do, then please like, share and subscribe the channel.